Today we're eating McDonald's. God damn, this should look good. I haven't ate all my pickles. Alright, cheers.
There you go.
Bro, I haven't eaten McDonald's in so long. Me either. Holy shit, it's good.
For sure. You put nuggets in there? Yeah. I never tried the spicy McChicken, so this will be my first time. Oh, can I have some of those onions? Oh, for sure. Only 2 pickles.
Oh, that's good. Not spicy at all, but hey, peace, boy.